Increase conversions by putting a social proof widget on your Clickfunnels 2.0 website or sales funnel. In this Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a social proof widget to highlight the best testimonials for your product or service. Plus, I'm going to show you how to put this on an unlimited amount of websites and how I save over $2,364 per year on my monthly subscriptions using this strategy. So this is what it looks like right here. You have it in the bottom left hand corner, and we're gonna go ahead and set that up right now. So we're gonna go into the Clickfunnels 2.0, and you can see I have test 1 and test 2. So right now we're just gonna look at those right now just to see what they look like. So I'm gonna copy the link and I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so you can see right here there's nothing right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this second one. We're gonna copy that one and we're gonna paste it. You see, so no social proof widget right here. So I'm gonna X those out. Okay, so there's two methods on how you could install this social proof widget onto your Clickfunnels 2.0 website or sales funnel. So let's go ahead and do the first way. The first way is the recommended way of putting it on there. So let's go ahead and edit, and then we're gonna copy the code, and then we're gonna go to this little gear icon and we're gonna click on show code. So this is the settings icon. We're gonna click on show code. And I always like to put it, doesn't really matter where you put it, but I always like to put it here in the footer. So I'm gonna click paste. And I'm gonna click out of that, click save. Okay, so now I'm gonna back out of that. Okay, so we're gonna go back to it. We're gonna copy the link, and we're gonna paste it right here. So in a few moments, you'll have the code show up right here, hopefully. Let's see. Let me go back. Okay, let me just go ahead and go back and save it again. So we're going to click edit. And let's just make sure the code is in there. Okay, and then we're going to click, let me see, save. And let's retry it right now. All right, so you see, so right now you can see it only took a few moments, but it did install the widget right here. You could customize it any way you want. You could customize the border thickness, the background color. There's a lot of customizations that you can kind of do to it to kind of make it stand out. So I'm going to show you another method on how to install it. I actually found this method by accident because I was trying to do the same thing on Go High Level, but the Go High Level is not as good as the Clickfunnels as far as the website builder. So I found this method by accident, but I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you anyways. So we're going to close this one out, and we're going to go back, and then we're going to go to test 2. We're going to click edit. And then we're going to add an element right here. And it doesn't really, and what I discovered is it doesn't really matter where you put the element. So right here, you're just going to search for HTML right here. So here's the element, the HTML element. So we're going to click on the gear icon. We're going to click open the code. And then I'm going to use this different one right here. So you can see the different types of customizations you can put on there. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. and close it. Click save. Okay, so now I'm gonna back out of that. And then we're gonna copy the link and let's paste it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that again. So we're gonna go back, edit. Let's see. All right, so let's save it. Now let's get back out. Let's copy the link and then paste. All right, so you could see how it just entered the code right here. So here's your social proof widget right here. So now, if you want to put this on your Clickfunnels 2.0 website or sales funnel, go to testimonialbot.com and you'll see how I save $2,364 per year, and you could put this on all your websites for one low price. Plus, the extra value you get on the bonuses far exceed on what you will pay for a testimonial bot. So check it out and go to testimonialbot.com right now to learn what you'll get. If you want to test it out, just simply go to testimonialbot.com and you'll scroll down to this section right here, and you can click on any of these links right here so you can see a demo of how it works and how it works on your computer and mobile device. So for example, if I click on this one right here, it's going to show you the demo, and you could kind of tinker around, put it in your phone, and you can see what it looks like. So if you want to save a lot of money on your social proof widget, just go to testimonialbot.com and get this today.